Picture this. You walk into a trading floor where no one is shouting, no papers are flying, and no one's watching charts tick in panic. Instead, a row of glowing dashboards hum quietly. AI systems whisper predictions in real time. Analysts don't chase trends, they train algorithms. This isn't the finance you grew up with. This is the AI Investment Lab. Hi, I'm Imani, your AI career coach. My mission is to help you rise above the noise, stand out above the rest, and thrive in the AI era. And today, I'm taking you inside the labs, both physical and digital, that are training the trillion-dollar advisors of the future. Because here's the truth: Wall Street isn't dying, it's upgrading. And those who learn to partner with machines aren't losing jobs, they're leading industries. You've probably heard of Goldman Sachs, BlackRock, or Fidelity. But what you might not know is that behind those brands are AI research hubs, entire divisions using machine learning to test, predict, and even simulate markets before they move. At BlackRock's Aladdin lab, AI crunches over 160 million data points per day, from weather forecasts to social sentiment, to predict portfolio risk and asset performance. It doesn't replace portfolio managers, it makes them superhuman. Every buy, hold, or sell decision is backed by data that moves faster than instinct. At JP Morgan's LOXM project, deep learning algorithms execute trades at speeds no human could match, analyzing liquidity, volatility, and timing down to the millisecond. The goal? To find the perfect moment between price and risk, the space where profit lives. And at Morgan Stanley's Next Best Action Lab, AI personalizes financial advice for clients based on behavioral patterns, not just spreadsheets. It's like having a financial coach that knows your habits better than you do. These aren't experiments, they're everyday operations. And they're setting a new standard for what it means to be an AI empowered advisor. Imagine walking into a workspace that looks part Wall Street, part Silicon Valley. On one screen, an algorithm simulates how inflation in Asia could ripple through global credit markets. On another, an AI model visualizes energy consumption trends to predict next quarter's oil prices. Teams of financial engineers, data scientists, and behavioral economists collaborate like conductors in a symphony, each bringing a piece of intelligence, human and artificial, together. They test thousands of strategies simultaneously. They train AI models with decades of market data. They build digital twins of global economies, virtual replicas where they can crash test decisions before they ever reach the real market. And while it sounds futuristic, this is happening right now in 2025. Here's where you come in. AI investment labs are redefining what a financial career looks like. It's no longer just analysts crunching numbers or brokers making calls. It's hybrid thinkers who speak both the language of money and the logic of machines. New roles are emerging every quarter. AI financial engineer blends quant modeling with machine learning to build smarter trading systems. Algorithm ethics officer ensures that models don't introduce bias in financial recommendations. Behavioral data strategist translates AI insights into emotionally intelligent client communication. Portfolio automation specialist maintains the bridge between human decisions and automated trading systems. AI compliance architect designs systems that keep transparency in the loop while regulations evolve. And yes, some of these jobs didn't even exist 5 years ago. But in the next 5 years, they'll be as common as financial analysts are today. Let's talk numbers. According to PwC and Deloitte, AI will manage or influence over $100 trillion in assets by 2030. That means the most valuable skill in finance, we'd be memorizing ratios. It'll be designing systems that think in ratios faster than humans can. Every major investment firm now runs AI-driven risk models. Every hedge fund uses predictive algorithms. Even governments are using AI to model national debt, taxation, and trade. But while institutions scale, a quiet rise is happening among independent advisors and small firms too. Platforms like DataRobot, Sentio, and FinGPT have made it possible for individuals, not just banks, to run portfolio simulations, generate forecasts, and automate reporting with enterprise-grade precision. Translation? Translation, you don't have to be a billionaire or a BlackRock exec to use trillion-dollar tools anymore. That's it. Let's spotlight a few examples shaping this revolution. BlackRock's Aladdin AI ecosystem, used by over 35,000 investment professionals globally, it scans markets, flags risks, and runs what-if simulations before trades occur. During the 2023 market turbulence, Aladdin flagged exposure to energy futures 48 hours before the dip, saving clients billions. Wealthfront's robo-advisor upgrade. Once a simple auto-investing app, it now integrates AI-driven sentiment analysis. It reads macroeconomic news and adjusts risk tolerance dynamically, something no static portfolio can do. Kensho by S&P Global. This tool powers scenario planning for top asset managers. In 2024, Kensho's event impact model predicted a 6-point market correction after a single policy announcement, nearly down to the hour. Bridgewater Associates' Decision Radar. This proprietary AI tool quantifies emotional bias. It tracks when fund managers override algorithms and analyzes whether human instinct improved or hurt returns. ARK Invest's Open AI partnership. Cathie Wood's team teamed up with AI researchers to explore deep learning models for stock selection. Their models now test over 500,000 trading patterns a day. It's not about eliminating analysts. It's about amplifying precision. These examples prove a point. AI investment labs aren't hypothetical. They're profitable. If you're listening and wondering, how do I get into this world? Here's your roadmap. These lads look for 3 types of intelligence. Technical intelligence, understanding tools like Python, SQL, TensorFlow, or Power BI for analytics. Financial intelligence, grasping valuation, portfolio theory, and market risk frameworks. Adaptive intelligence, communicating data-driven insights clearly, creatively, and ethically. Even if you're not coding, you can contribute. Analysts who understand AI outputs are now more valuable than coders who can't explain them. And here's the secret. You can build your credibility before getting hired. Publish insights on LinkedIn. Join fintech hackathons. Create small demos using ChatGPT, Notion AI, or FinGPT. Document your learning, because digital proof builds digital trust. Point. Now let's zoom out to the trillion-dollar question. What makes these next-gen advisors so powerful? They combine speed, scale, and soul. Speed. AI executes tasks in seconds that once took analysts weeks. Scale. These systems analyze global markets simultaneously, 24/7, without burnout. Soul. Human advisors bring ethics, empathy, and understanding, the traits no machine can replicate. Together, this fusion creates the augmented advisor, part strategist, part technologist, part storyteller. AI predicts what might happen. The human advisor explains why it matters. And that's the difference between data and wisdom. Top universities and training institutions are catching up fast. MIT's AI and Finance Lab, Stanford's Center for Financial Technology, and NYU's AI for Markets program are teaching students to combine code with conscience. Even Goldman Sachs now recruits from AI boot camps, not just Ivy League MBA programs. Because the next generation of trillion-dollar advisors won't come from the same mold. They'll come from collaboration. Psychology majors working with coders, traders learning machine learning, and educators designing ethical frameworks for algorithms. In other words, this isn't about replacing degrees. It's about upgrading minds. Let's wrap this up with your actionable playbook, the same framework used inside these labs to turn data into destiny. F. Find your focus. Choose one financial niche, investing, risk, compliance, or analytics, and explore how AI is used there. E. Experiment weekly. Set one AI-related goal per week. Test a model, visualize data, or rewrite a process with automation. A. Apply what you learn. Turn theory into proof. Publish one post or project each week documenting your insight. T. Track your impact. Measure how AI saves you time or improves accuracy. Even small metrics matter. U. Upskill continuously. Take micro courses on AI and finance. Platforms like Coursera, EDX, and CFA Institute now offer free modules. R. Reinvest your knowledge. Teach someone else what you've learned, because mastery multiplies when shared. E. Expand your network. Join digital communities where AI innovators share discoveries. Opportunity often lives in the comments. That's your feature framework. Use it to future-proof your financial career, and maybe even start your own AI investment lab one day. AI isn't creating a world without advisors. It's creating advisors without limits. Those who learn to guide the algorithms will become the new architects of wealth. So the next time you see a quiet trading floor, don't mistake the silence for inactivity. That's the sound of machines thinking and humans leading them. Give this video a thumbs up if it gave you clarity. Share it with someone in finance who's ready to level up in the AI economy. And don't forget to subscribe, because tomorrow is Deep Dive Saturday, the hidden AI strategies behind 24/7 trading and smart wealth creation. I'll see you tomorrow, where your insights turn into income.